Hello and welcome to the video. This video is to feature my final on my 1941 Plymouth Coupe, which is from AMT and did come in this Coca-Cola boxing. There is a box opening on the channel. There's a how to paint on the channel with this car, how to pin with this car, and several of the weekly updates have featured this car. So if there's anything in depth that you'd want to see along the way, by all means jump back and check out those videos. But I did this car essentially as a factory stock appearing car, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So let's check it out. Like I said, I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Just the look I was going for. Very stock and subdued looking for a 1940s car. But I did do that two-tone with it to give it a little more kind of pop and pizzazz for the era, but keeping it pretty subdued. I think the paint turned out really well. Again, I did a how-to with this one using the rattle can testers lacquers, just straight out of the can, sprayed it, and then a little hand polish to brighten it up. As you can see, it turned out really well, has a nice shine to it, but not over the top like you'd get with a clear coat. Really fits the car in my opinion. Keep going around, give you a full spin. Like I said, I'm just really happy with it. It came out exactly as I was envisioning. All the chrome was stripped and re-chromed, most of it with the display ink refill, like the bumpers and grill. Headlight surrounds are all airbrushed with the ink refill. We do have bare metal foil on the center caps for the wheels, as well as we do have bare metal foil trim going down the side, and the door handles. The windshield surround is chrome marker, Molotow marker, same with the vent windows. We have rubber black on the rubber side steps. Give her a spin around. Like I said, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Just a great classic looking car in my opinion. We will go up above, kind of give you another angle look at it and get under the hood. So just hang with me. Okay, here we are with a little different angle, just to give you a little different perspective on it. I'll give you a few different looks at it. Again, super happy with the way it turned out. Going basically box stock plus plug wires. We did trim out that emblem on the rear. I think I forgot to talk about that front grille that we did kind of mold in and smooth out. Then we did add our gasket seams on the fenders to kind of complete that look. I think that is a much better appropriate look for the car. We did do that on the rears as well. Very subtle, but a nice little touch, I think, with those gaskets. Just masked those off and brush painted the lines in there. The running boards again being, to me, a rubber black. Let's take a look under the hood. You guys kind of got a look of the engine before install in an update video, but again, we just added plug wires, otherwise left it as the kit is presented. Just try to detail out the molded in lines and stuff, just to give it a little something, but I think the addition of the plug wires was just enough to kind of tie the under hood together and give it a nice look underneath there. Other than that, I guess we can go underneath. Again, nothing real exciting, just box stock. Used a couple of different colors to give it some interest, but didn't get real crazy underneath. Not much going on. But there it is. There is the 41 Plymouth from AMT. I'm super excited to have this one done, and we'll make it to the NNL North. The 34 Ford pickup, I'm not so sure if it's going to make it for tomorrow or not, but we're sure going to give it a try. Give you a quick peek at that, kind of as an update. We have the engine and grill in there. Took me quite a bit to try to get the radiator hoses and all that plumbed in, but we did get her, and we're on our way. There is a chance, but I'm not going to hold my breath on that one. But this guy is, so I am super happy about that, and thanks for watching.